Hello friends, I'm Omid, and in these video series 1 want to talk about Java 21 new features tutorial. This the second part of JEP 430 feature. Please stay with me. Many programming languages offer string interpolation as an alternative to string concatenation. String interpolation is a programming feature that allows you to embed expressions directly within string literals. Instead of using concatenation or formatting methods to insert values into a string, you can use a syntax where placeholders are replaced by actual values at runtime. Not only interpolation is more convenient than concatenation, but also it offers greater clarity when reading code. String interpolation is dangerous because it is easy to construct strings that will be interpreted by other systems but which are dangerously incorrect in those systems. Strings that hold SQL statements, HTML or XML documents, JSON, shell scripts, and so on all need to be validated according to domain-specific rules. Since the Java programming language cannot possibly enforce all such rules, it is up to developers using interpolation to validate. An example may clear it more. Consider this SQL query. This query is correct, but if user input which comes from text field, change like this. The final query becomes. This will always return true, potentially allowing an attacker to bypass authentication and access all user records. In next video I will talk about how solving this problem.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, likes and share this video for friends. If you wanna learn, join and enjoy.